The US winter storm claims nearly 50 lives in what is being called the blizzard of the century. At least 25 people have died in western New York. Massive power cuts and flight delays continue across multiple states. Mahavikas Aghadi protests are outside the Nagpur Assembly on a day that the Maharashtra government plans to table resolution on the border dispute with Karnataka. Nationwide, a mock drill begins to check COVID preparedness in government hospitals and COVID facilities. Amid China COVID surge, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia visits Safdarjung Hospital in New Delhi, says we have to be prepared. Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai meets BJP President JP Nadda and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. BJP's brass, including Prime Minister Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, to get on the campaign trail in the run-up to the state elections next year. Pakistan, a boat carrying huge cache of weapons and drugs seized off the Gujrat coast. Officials recovered arms, ammunition and narcotics worth 300 crores. At least 15 people, including 3 forest officials, were injured in a series of attacks by a leopard on the prowl in Assam. Cold wave grips in North India. Temperature dips are close to 5 degrees in the national capital. Rajasthan's Churu freezes at 0 degrees for the second day.